Hi Mississippi. This video is for your Pick 3 L-shaped tic-tac-toe method. For your state, it does seem to like Sundays for this method. If you are new here, basically in this type of video, what I do is I go back about 30 days. And then what I'm looking for is essentially I'm looking at your state's Sundays numbers from the day side. I'm going to be writing those in, and then from there, I take the past 3 numbers from that, and then we're adding them up. It'll be lotto math, and then from there, you'll make your tic-tac-toe box. And it's a little bit of a twist on there. It's like in an L shape, and I'll show you that as I go along here. So on March 23rd, 2025, the number that hit on your day side was 655. The past 3 on that was 455, 309, 254. And then if you do your math here, you're going to add 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 4 is 23. You're going to keep the 3. The middle column is 5 plus 5 is 15. Keep the 5. And then that left side, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, and then plus 2 is 15. Keep the 5. And then you're going to make your tic-tac-toe box. Not speak today, sorry. All right, so you're going to write that in like I did. The circled numbers here are the 553. From there, you're going to mirror the 5 that's on the bottom right, that's 0. You're going to add 1 to the 0, which is 1. And then you're going to add 1 to the right side 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. You're going to add that 6 to the left side of the 5. And then you're going to add 1 to the 5 again, that's 6 on the top there. And then you're going to add 1 to the 6, which is 7. And then you're going to add 1 to the 7, which is 8, which is in the middle top there. All right, and then from there, the next 7 days, you had 055 hit and 061 hit. They're both in this box right here. All right, so on March 30th, 2025, 549 hit. The past 3 with that was 295, 776, 938. If you're going to do your math, you got 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 8 is 28. Keep the 8. The middle column is 4 plus 9, 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 3 is 23, keep the 3. And then the left side, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 7 is 14, and then plus 9 is 23, keep the 3. You're going to write in the numbers as shown, and then just to go through the example again, you're gonna mirror the 8 or mirror the 3. That's 8. You're gonna put that in the middle there. You're gonna add 1 to the 8, which is 9, which goes to the left of the 8. You're gonna add 1 to the 3, which is on the bottom. That's 4. You're gonna put that to the left bottom, and then you're gonna put that 4 on top of the 3, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, so you put the 5 on the top of the 4, and then 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 6 will go in the middle. All right, and then from there, the number that hit was 534 and 493 in the next 7 days on that one. From this point, I won't be showing you any more examples. I'm just going to run through the results. So on April 5th, 2025, the numbers that hit was the 861. The past 3 was 626, 791, 191. You're going to mark up the box like I've already shown. And then the next 7 days was 789 and 578. And then April 13, 2025, the number that hit was 743. The past 3 with that was 614, 203, 789. And then you get 239. You're going to put that into the box like shown. And then the past 7 the next numbers that hit in the next 7 days were 783, 798, and 437. Right, and then April 20th, the number that hit was 916. The past 3 on that was 039, 940, 798, and then that added up to 573. You're going to do the box as already shown. The next 7 days were 015 and 766, which is the inner box. All right, and then from there, I'll cover all this in just a second. The potential numbers for the pick 3 in the next 7 days based on what we covered. I'll come back to that. I'll come back to that. And then the numbers that hit on Sunday for the day was 142. The past 3 with that was 766, 679, 965. Then that adds up to 332. And then I went ahead and did the box like shown. And then the numbers I think may hit potentially in the next 7 days is 829, 948, 689, 493, 833, 893, 544, 554, 534, 338, 644, 664, 344, 643, 334, 654, and 538. One thing I do want to mention is in this type of method, it is very tough to get doubles from it. It's just hard to see the doubles sometimes from these boxes. So some of these, like, you don't have the opposite double. So like 544, I went ahead and marked up that number to possibly hit as 554. And then same thing with 644, 844. Did I get that one? I may have missed the 844. So keep 844 and 884 also in mind for this method. Okay, Mississippi, that is it. If you do have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section. Thank you.